Progress report. The plastic part is back inside the mechanism. The screws that hold that plastic piece in, okay, they're all back inside. This wheel right here looks really good, okay. It has all the play and pause that you want, okay. That's very, very important. When you press pause, it ain't touching nothing, okay. So that's badass. When you press play, everything goes up tight as fuck, okay. So that wheel's tight as fuck in there, okay. And that's what you want, okay. So the assembly part can continue. It's time to put this metal plate back in. It has the light on it, okay. So that'll have to go in. And moving right along. Okay, the metal plate with the light is back installed. Got to tuck these little wires and these little keepers right here. Okay. Because once this is all put back together, it's got all kind of moving parts and stuff. So you don't want nothing getting fucked up, all right? So the heads are moving nice and freely. Looking fucking killer. Okay. So, time to move it forward. No, had to open it back up again to put that counter belt in there. It goes from this spindle to this pulley. Okay, so that's in there. That's brand spanking new. So, can put this back in again. Okay, fuck, I'm really getting tired now. Probably overdid it today. I didn't think I was gonna do this in one fucking day, to be honest. Okay. If I didn't have the fucking parts here, it could have taken weeks. 10, 15 fucking days. So, all the belts are on. Basically, all I'm doing now is tidying shit up, okay? Putting the wires back where they fucking belong. Making sure nothing is fucked up. You have little switches and stuff, okay? You have to make sure they're correct, okay? Or the shit just won't function right. There's a switch down inside of there, okay? Couple switches here, the spring for the eject mechanism, okay. So we're looking really, really fucking good here, man. I'm running out of parts to put back on. This is the record lever. This holds the mechanism in from the top. So yeah, I mean, fuck, it's really getting down to the nitty gritty here. So wow. Well, I still got some screws to put in it. One right here, couple down here. Okay. I still got to put that fucking record lever. It's in there. I got to screw it down. Make sure it's all good. Okay. I got to tighten up some of these wires and stuff. Okay. So, the moment of truth, yo. Let's press fucking play. Looks like success. Counter's moving. Pause button. Perfect. That's fucking badass, okay? So, like Leonard Nimoy, put a little bit of that 3M fucking tape around that idler tire pulley. Recondition the tire, put it back on. Gives you that extra fucking diameter you want, right? Everything in here, hauling ass. And there's the belt I just put in, right there. All this work because of that little fucking belt. But everything else is spinning. Badass. Auto stop's working fucking perfect. All this work because it ate one cassette tape. Fuck yeah, man. I'm tired as fuck. Later. Oh, feel free to pick up a phone once in a while and act like a fucking human being. You know, seriously. Make somebody laugh once in a while. Instead of all this pissing and moaning and whining on fucking Facebook. I don't care if you're stinking drunk when you call. Just pick up the phone and talk. Later.